Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Hope you are all doing good. So if you are using Windows 10 and you are facing an issue with your mouse is lagging or stuttering. In this video, I will share some methods you can apply to fix this issue. So let's get started. First of all, click this search box and type here settings. You will see this setting result, open it. Now click this option device, Bluetooth printer and mouse settings, click on it. Now on the left side, click this mouse, click on it. Now here you can easily increase or decrease your mouse pointer speed. Okay, you can increase or decrease the pointer speed of your mouse. And after that, turn off this option, scroll in inactive windows. When I hover over them, turn off this option, and you can also set the lines to scroll at the time from here. Okay, it's up to you. You can increase or decrease, it's up to you. Now cut this window. Now move on the next step. If you are still getting the same issue, open control panel, type this search box and search for control panel. You will see this kind of result. Simply click on it and make sure in view by section you click small icons, and here click this mouse option. This will open this kind of window. Click on this option, pointer options. Now here you can also increase or decrease the pointer speed. And one more thing, turn off this option, automatically move pointer to the default. If this enabled, make sure you turn off this option. Turn off this option as well. If this option is enabled, simply turn off it. You will see this kind of lagging of your mouse. Okay, so make sure turn off all this option. So make sure you turn off these three options. Show location of your pointer, also turn off this, but enable this hide pointer while typing. Click on apply, then click OK. Cut this window. Now move on the final step you can apply. If you are still getting the same issue, check your mouse driver. For this, simply click on this Windows icon, right click on it and click this device manager here. So these are all the drivers you have in your system. First, update your graphic driver. Simply expand this display driver and update this driver. Click on update driver, click search automatically on this driver. You can see the best driver for your device is installed. Simply close this window and now click on this option, mice and other pointing devices. Expand this and simply update all the drivers you have in this section. Click on this update driver and search automatically. Close and do the same thing with this second driver, update driver and search automatically. The best driver for your device is installed. Okay, close this window. Make sure you have updated all the drivers in your mouse section. Simply cut this window, then restart your system and check. So these are all the methods you can apply to fix mouse issue on Windows 10. This is all for this video. Thanks for watching.